Hello everyone, welcome to WhatsApp TV again. Today we have one video and the topic is how to make commands, requests and suggestions in English using imperative form. Let's go! Well people, the most common usage of imperative form is to make orders or commands, but probably you are asking what is an order? Well, if someone in authority gives you an order, then this person tells you to do something. Therefore, this is the same of a command. Okay, then let's see some examples. The first one is go home. Well, let's imagine the following situation. A mother finds out her son is playing on the street without permission. Of course, this mother gets angry because her son disobeyed her. Then she goes to the street, look for her son, and when she finds him, she says, "Go home." Of course, parents on the whole have authority over their children, then this is a classic order. The next example is look at this. It's an order that you can give to someone. Look at something or someone. Let's suppose you are walking on the street with a colleague, and while both of you are walking, only you see something interesting. It doesn't matter what is this interesting thing. What's important here is only you see something interesting, but your friend did not see. Then you want he sees the same thing. Then you say to him, "Look at this. Hey, look at this." Well, the interesting at this situation is notice that look at this is a kind of order, a kind of command that does not demand authority. Then look at this is a typical example of an order, but a kind of order which we can give to a friend in an informal situation. Well, of course, we have situations which is necessary to have authority to give orders, but there are other situations which it's not necessary. In the first example, which the mother give the order go home to her son, is necessary to have authority. But at the second example, look at this, even being an order, is not necessary to have authority to say that to a friend. Well, our third example is a kind of situation that demands authority, because on the whole, we cannot say stop, do not enter, if we don't have authority over the place we are or over the people, or both. Then if I say stop, do not enter, I have authority to do it. Well, let's suppose that I'm a child and I live in my parents' house with my sister too, And at this house, my parents have their own bedroom. My sister has her own bedroom, and I have my own bedroom. Well, when necessary, I demonstrate authority to my sister. I can say, "Stop, do not enter in my bedroom," because I have authority over my bedroom. And she can do the same with me because she has authority over her own bedroom. Do you understand that? It's a question of authority, okay? Because neither me or my sister at this house can say the same to our parents, because our parents have major authority over us in any part of the house, okay? This happened because this house is of theirs. Well, the next example is open your book on the page 83. Well, first of all, it's an order, okay? And generally, we can see this kind of order inside the classes when the teacher says, open your book. The teacher is giving an order to the students because the teacher has authority over the students inside the class. Then when teacher says open your book or open your books in the plural, it depends on the number of students inside the class. Open your book, singular, one student. Open your books, plural, more than one student, okay? But when the teacher says open your book or your books in a specific page, that means the students need to obey this command in order to start the studies using that specific page of the book. And of course, inside the class, all teachers have authority over students. Therefore, that is another classic command. Well, let's go to the next example. And the next example is the last example. Do your homework now. Well, that is another classic order, okay? Another classic command used by parents when they want their children do the homework, because probably they are not doing that because they are playing video games, they are playing on the street with their colleagues, or because they are watching TV or texting in the smartphones. At last, they are playing very much and they forget to do their homework. Then when the parents see it's happening, they usually use this command to make their children to do their homework. Of course, as I have said before, parents have authority over their children. Then when they say, do your homework now, it characterizes an order. That's it, people. That was the first part of the series about imperative form. That was a kind of warm-up. There will be more videos on the next weeks where I expect to explain to you more about the usage of the imperative form. Well, that's it. See you soon. Bye.